Welcome to Tecamuna.com video reviews. Today we'll be comparing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 versus the Honor Band 5i. You can find the Watch Active 2 for about 10,000 to 12,000 pesos and the Honor Band 5i for about 1,000 pesos. Initially, I thought that this would be an unfair comparison since the Active 2 is a full-fledged smartwatch and the 5i is a budget fitness tracker. However, as you'll see, the 5i does have some advantages over the Active 2. Comparing the two devices, it is obvious that the Active 2 is the better looking device. It has a nice big AMOLED screen with vibrant colors. Everything can be seen and read clearly without needing to wear your reading glasses. The 5i on the other hand uses a small LCD screen and depending on the lighting conditions, it can be difficult to see. The texts are smaller, however they are still quite readable. Through the core features, both devices basically do the same thing. Step tracking, continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, notifications, alarm, and of course, gives you the time. For the fitness features, they both do running, cycling, elliptical, and rowing. However, on the Active 2, you get a lot more training modes like swimming, yoga, pilates, even specific weight training profiles. It also has a built-in GPS, while the 5i uses the GPS from your phone. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to check out my full review of both these devices. Also, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Now to make this a fair comparison, we'll just focus on running. So I did a short 3.5 kilometer run, and the Active 2 recorded 3.57 kilometers as compared to 3.9 on the 5i. The average heart rate on the Active 2 was 114 versus 110 on the 5i. Total calories 248 versus 228. While there was a difference in distance, the rest of the data was pretty close. For sleep tracking, the Active 2 showed 5 hours and 51 minutes versus 6 hours and 23 minutes on the 5i. However, if you look at the deep, light, and REM, there's quite a difference. Personally, I think the 5i seemed to be more in line with my actual sleep. Now let's do the pros and cons as well as the smartwatch features. They both work on iOS and Android. Both can receive notifications. However, on the Active 2, you can reply to them, but only if you're using an Android device. On the 5i, you can check past notifications, while on the Active 2, you need to have a Samsung device if you want to check your past messages. One advantage on the Active 2 is that you can make and receive calls. Both can do continuous heart rate tracking, but on the Active 2, you can also check your stress level. However, on the 5i, you can do blood oxygen measurements, which is not available on the Active 2. Another headline feature of the Active 2 is the ability to take your ECG and blood pressure. However, as of making this video, it is only available in some countries and you need to have a Samsung phone to use it. Considering that this device is already a year old and the most important features are still not available, really leaves a bad mark on Samsung's reputation. As for battery life, the Active 2 will last about 2 to 3 days, while you get about 5 to 7 on the 5i. The Active 2 uses a proprietary wireless charger, while the 5i has a built-in USB plug that you can use on any USB charger. As for the apps, you need to use the Huawei Health app for the 5i and the Galaxy Wearable for the Active 2. But I have to point out some negatives on both apps. In order for you to use the Active 2 on a non-Samsung phone, you need to install 4 separate apps. While for the 5i, you need to have an active internet connection every time you use the app, which can be quite annoying. On the Active 2, you have hundreds of watch faces and apps that you can install from the Galaxy Store. On the 5i, you have a limited number of faces and you're stuck with the pre-installed apps. Overall, both devices are quite good at what they do. Obviously, the Watch Active 2 is the better device, but do remember that it does cost 10 times as much. It, however, gives you a full smartwatch experience. On the other hand, if you look at it in terms of value for money, it's pretty hard to ignore the 5i. You really do get a lot for just 1,000 pesos. I hope you enjoyed this comparison review between the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 and the Honor Band 5i. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.